If you're looking to write high-quality review articles and comparisons quickly, AI can help you do it in no time. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to leverage AI to write reviews and comparisons that are not only well-structured, but also engaging and informative. Stick with me until the end for an exclusive offer, and I'll show you a free trial of the software we're using so you can follow along. Let's start with the basics. AI can help you generate article drafts in a fraction of the time it would take manually. The first thing you need to do is outline what you're comparing. Whether it's products, services, or tools, defining the categories and key points up front will make your AI-generated content much more focused. You don't have to worry about researching every detail. AI can do that for you, pulling data from credible sources and giving you a solid foundation to work from. Next, let's talk structure. Review articles and comparisons need to flow logically. AI can help organize your thoughts into a clear structure. Start with an introduction where you set the stage for what's being compared. The AI will generate a hook that outlines the features, benefits, or performance of each item. It's like having a writing assistant that's an expert at creating engaging intros. Once you have your intro, you'll want to break down the comparison into sections. Each section will focus on one product or service at a time, and AI can help craft a detailed description, covering pros and cons. If you need to make your content more detailed, AI can also create additional sections like price comparisons, customer reviews, or performance ratings. It's all about feeding the AI the right prompts. When you're writing reviews, one challenge is creating a balance between being informative and persuasive. AI can help here by crafting content that highlights the strengths and weaknesses in a way that's unbiased but still compelling. You can even ask it to add a conclusion that summarizes the key differences and helps your readers make a decision. Now, I've tested all the most popular AI software for writing reviews and comparisons, and the one we're using in this video is my top recommendation. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's a no-brainer if you want to follow along and start writing faster, more compelling review articles with AI. Let's wrap it up with the key takeaway. Using AI to write review articles and comparisons can save you time and help you produce better content with less effort. The AI helps you structure the content, provides detailed insights, and ensures you stay focused on the key points without getting bogged down in the details. Remember, the key is in the prompts you give the AI. It's all about guiding it to help you create the content you need. To sum up, use AI to outline your comparisons, structure your content logically, add pros and cons, and write persuasive conclusions. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to start creating your own reviews and comparisons effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.